Hello, my name is Bethany Ford from Logicforce. Today I'll be showing you how to recall or replace an email that you've sent. We've all been there. You accidentally press reply all, you send an email to the wrong recipient, or maybe you forget to attach an attachment to your email. With recall or replace, you can delete any unopened copies of an email from the recipient's inbox, or you can replace that email with a new one. Now, this only works if the person has not already opened the email. It will not be recalled and/or replaced if the person has opened it. Outlook will tell you, though, if the person has or has not viewed it, so you can know if you need to follow up. You cannot recall a message in Outlook on the web, and unfortunately, email recall is only available if both you and the recipient are in the same organization. So this doesn't work for clients or other people outside your organization. Let's go ahead and go to Outlook to see how this is done. Once in Outlook, in your sent messages, click on the email that you'd like to recall or replace. Here we see that this email, I said that attached is the spreadsheet, but a spreadsheet is not attached. So let's recall or replace this email with one that actually has the attached spreadsheet. We're going to go up onto the Outlook ribbon where it says Move and press this down button. Then go to Actions, press that arrow, and you'll see an option to recall this message. When I click that, I'll get this window where I can either delete unread copies of the message or delete unread copies and replace with a new message. I can also see that this box is checked. This will tell me if the recall succeeds or fails for each recipient. This is very helpful because if they have seen the email, I'll need to follow up and make sure that they get the attachment later. So let's press delete unread copies and replace with a new message. Press OK, and you'll be taken to this new email window where you can attach the file and send as normal. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to connect with Logicforce on LinkedIn via the link in the description box below and complete the video topic suggestion survey with the link in the description box below. Again, thank you for watching.